Here we have the IKOVWUK Leveler. It's a auto level. It comes in a nice case. IKOVWUK is the name. Comes in a nice zippered case. Protective foam insert. Not the kind of foam that chips up all over. It has a plate with it. It has a charger cord with it for the battery. I did charge the battery up already. It has this attachment for mounting it on a wall, and you can move it around. I myself have put it on a tripod. Unfortunately, the tripod I have does not, the leveler has a screw hole in it, and I don't have a tripod with a screw hole, so I just have a flat. So I've just set the tripod right on this flat, the leveler right on the flat of the tripod. I'm a female, 68, do-it-yourselfer. What I want to do is take some trim, wood trim, and put it underneath this cover. It's a duck cover, and because it connects with the fuse box, I keep opening it up and destroying whatever wood's under there. So I thought if I put this trim with the flat on it, that I could take a piece of flat wood there, thin light wood, and slide it in so it was removable, and just maybe have one trim piece along the bottom there that would hold it up, and it would stay in with the just sitting on top of the edges of this trim piece here. But anyway, we have this leveler, so that's what I was going to do with it. And then I also want to put a ceiling, drop ceiling in this room, so I figured I'd use the leveler for that also. The leveler has several different ports on it. I'm using one of them, and I'm using it in the auto mode. There is an on-off right there for the manual mode. I believe that's the on-off for the manual mode, but I want to use the auto mode on it. I am wearing green glasses that came with the leveler because it does shoot out a laser beam. And I can tell you, here's the opening for the battery, the rechargeable battery, which is a very nice feature. Here's another level ejector emitter for the laser, and I'm going to turn this on. I have it up almost to the height I want it, and I'll just show you how wonderful this beam is. So let me turn off the light in here and turn this on. And there we have the line, goes all the way around the room. I am wearing my glasses, so I'll be able to mark this line all along the bottom of the trim there, so I get that level. And then when I get to the point where I'm going to do the ceiling, I'll raise this up, and I'll be able to see what I have to be able to do the ceiling. But it's a pretty responsive unit, and the line is very clear. It actually looks darker green in person than it does in this room, in this picture, so I can't quite get it to match the dark that it looks. Really a handy device. I like it, and it can recommend this laser level.
Está roto. Y no sirve ya. Solo sirve el de este lado.
Parejito, parejito.